Nepali Momo and Mend.
We miss Chef Lakir. Today, Nepali Momo Masterclass with our teacher, Mr. Basola.
What is the Mr. Topic?
Wait,
I love you, Nepal. I love you, myself, Italy from Italy. I love myself from India.
you need to say time for testing.
Say, time for testing.
Amazing. Time for testing?
Yes, sir.
Go.
So,
Good job.
don't
What
say.
is Momo?
Mom is Nepal famous. It's good.
Yeah, it's good. What it is?
Momo is, chicken. It's meat.
It's a soup?
Soup, also tomato.
No. It's not a soup, it's a dumpling.
Dumpling.
Now what we do?
I do dough.
Paella.
Yes. Paella?
The Momo burned in Nepal at the end.
Yes.
Yeah.
Momo in Nepal, very good. It's this all Nepali people. This like breakfast and this all like Momo. But Momo, this any meat this making no problem. This any meat.
Okay.
Buffalo, lamb,
Chicken.
chicken, any this making.
What is the most popular? Chicken?
Anyway popular.
Ah. Now time for the dough. What are the ingredients? The guy need to learn. Look.
One kg flour.
1 kg flour and
400 ml water.
water.
Yes.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Are you sure you do it good?
Yes.
Long process. What you need is something like that. Still soft. Need to rest half an hour.
15 minutes.
Chef.
I'm going any restaurant. All restaurant we have Momo. Nice food, but
I don't know. You do it at home,
yeah, home. I'll do home.
but you go to the restaurant to eat.
And restaurant, what same.
Same.
Same. Yes.
Waiting for the dough, we start the filling. What we have?
Green chili, 4 piece. Tomato, 5 piece.
5 pieces.
Red onion, this 4 piece.
This
Momo masala.
It's a gram masala, but call it Momo masala by the one from Nepal. Next,
Ginger garlic paste. Maybe 2 spoon.
2 spoons.
2 spoon. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder, 1 spoon.
Yes. Mustard oil.
1 spoon.
2 spoon.
2 spoons.
Butter oil is only 2 piece.
8 gram.
8 gram.
2 piece, 16 gram.
16 gram. Garlic powder. Garlic powder 1 spoon. Black pepper 1 spoon.
Mint chicken, 2 kilo. 2 kilo.
1.5.
1.5 kilo. Chia seed?
Yeah. 2 spoon.
Or it's not for the filling. We are doing chutney
Yeah.
and filling.
Yes.
Ah.
This homemade Nepal.
Homemade Szechuan pepper?
Yeah,
What
Nepal.
homemade?
No need buy this. Only have to was fresh.
Salt to
Salt is
taste.
this.
Yeah, okay. Now, what we need to do?
Now I'll do chutney.
Chutney is to dip the momo.
Yeah. Dip the
Is the
momo.
sauce.
Yeah, sauce.
Our trainee will explain what we do, how we do the chutney.
First we blanch the tomato and remove the skin, and after that we will take a pan and we will put some cumin seeds and mustard seeds. After that we will put the tomato and we will cook it slightly with the garlic, peeled garlic, and we will put some cilantro, which is coriander, and we will add some salt and green chili and we will blend it that one.
Correct?
Yes. Fry after then mixer.
Okay.
I mean,
Yes. Okay.
Let's do it, Momo chutney.
Too close.
Let's do it, Momo chutney.
Momo, chutney on top. Now time to roll it and fill it.
Yes, sir.
And close them. Basola special tools.
aluminum rolling.
What?
Aluminum roll.
Okay. Aluminium rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Why you tell me? You need to tell them.
It's 15 gram.
15 gram ball. You are super nice.
Dun, dun, dun.
Those are the momos ready to go in the oven to be steamed. We steam for 15 minutes, more or less.
Nepali momo and mint.
Let's do it.
Come to Nepal. This original is taste the momo.
Now in Nepali.
This Ramro momo. It's nice. This Ramro tasty. It's good momo.
But I say you need to tell in Nepali.
Okay.
Go.
ओके सबैजना आउनु होला आज नेपालमा आएर मोमो टेस्ट गर्नु होला बेस्ट मोमो स्पाइसी मोमो
Look at that.
यस
Amazing.
अजयजी
Time for testing.
यस यस
You need to say time for testing.
से
Say time for testing.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
से टाइम फर टेस्टिङ
We test.
यस
How we test? Pin, apparently. Take this on top and
लुका ल
I love spice.
I love spicy. Make it nice. You make it nice.
आई लभ यु सेभ लकिर थ्याङ्क यू सो मच
Guys, amazing. Super, super nice.
नेपाली मोमो एन्ड मेन
We miss Chef Lakir.